In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font size in Visual Studio Code, whether you're using the browser version at vscode.dev or the desktop app. The process is basically the same, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to go and what to change to make your code easier to read. First, make sure you have Visual Studio Code open. You should see your usual layout with the sidebar on the left and the editor area in the middle. We're going to head straight into the settings. Look toward the bottom left corner of the window for the gear icon, which represents settings. Click on that gear icon, and in the small menu that appears, choose Settings. This will open the main settings view, usually in a new tab. Once the settings tab is open, you'll see a search bar at the top and a list of categories on the left-hand side. To keep things organized, we'll navigate using those categories. On the left, look for the section labeled Text Editor. Go ahead and click on Text Editor. This tells Visual Studio Code that we want to adjust settings related specifically to the editing experience. After you've clicked on Text Editor, you'll see several subcategories appear under it. One of these is called Font. Click on Font to open the font-related options. This is where you can control things like which font family is used and, more importantly for this video, the size of the font in the editor. Now, inside the font settings, look for the option labeled Font Size. This is usually a numeric field measured in pixels. By default, it might be set to something like 14, but your value may be different depending on your setup. Click inside the font size box, delete the existing number if necessary, and type in the new font size you want. For example, you might try 16 if you want the text a bit larger, or 12 if you prefer it smaller. As soon as you change this value, Visual Studio Code will typically update the editor font size right away, so you can see the effect immediately. Take a moment to glance back at your open files and confirm that the text size feels comfortable. You can always return to the font size field and tweak the number up or down until it looks just right for you. Once you're happy with the result, you're done. You've successfully changed the font size in Visual Studio Code, making your coding environment better suited